Ålesund. Thanks to its proximity to fjords and mountains, as well as a well-preserved Art Nouveau architecture, Ålesund is considered the most beautiful town in Norway. Ålesund's Art Nouveau architecture is a result of a great fire, which took place in January 1904, when the entire town was destroyed. Between 1904 and 1907, Ålesund was rebuilt in the Art Nouveau style by 20 master builders and 30 Norwegian architects, drawing inspiration from all over Europe. One of the finest examples of the town's Art Nouveau style architecture is Ålesund Church, completed in 1909. This popular place for wedding ceremonies was built out of concrete and Norwegian marble. It can seat around 800 people, and inside you can admire beautiful frescoes and stained glass windows. The 64 tunes organ belongs to the largest in Norway, and the glass gable windows behind it were a gift from the German Kaiser Wilhelm II. If you like hiking, walk 418 steps up from the town park, or go by car or take the city train up to Oxla Mountain. From Oxla Viewpoint, you will be rewarded with a panoramic view of the beautiful town center, the archipelago, and the amazing mountains. Do you wonder how people used to live in earlier times? Visit Sunnmøre Museum, where you can find 55 old houses. A walk through this open-air museum is like a journey through the centuries. Additionally, visit the Atlantic Sea Park, which belongs to the largest saltwater aquariums in Scandinavia. This family attraction includes 11 aquariums, and feeding a fish in 4 million-liter Atlantic tank is only one of its many attractions. This tank is a home to different fish species, such as cod, halibut, catfish, and skate. Do not miss iconic red and white Alness Lighthouse, completed in 1876. It is located only 30 minutes from Ålesund, and you can climb up it and enjoy stunning views of the ocean and coastline. If you visit this lighthouse in winter, and you are lucky enough, you can see Aurora Borealis dancing over this structure, which is still operational. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more in the future, leave a comment, give a like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.